Hello, Douthat. This is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So, just taking a look at your header, got a really nice logo. Got your click to call for those quick conversions, which is awesome. And then you have request the free estimate, which sends it straight to your email so you can respond to them just in case they don't like talking on the phone, which happens a lot. And then going through your website, all about the different services you provide, the different types of flooring, the ease of access it is for either you can bring it in, you can come in store or bring the showroom to the customers, which is awesome. And then of course your commitment to excellence, the different projects that you've worked on, just so people can say, hey, I want that too. And then of course, once again, request that free estimate where they tell you exactly what they want, you get back to them, and you move forward from there. Now, that's the end of your website, or at least the homepage of your website. So it is really nice. I'm not seeing a ton of words on it though. I'm only seeing around tops 200 to 300 words. Nowadays, what Google is truly looking for is 1,500 to 2,000 words with a bunch of keywords mixed in. Now, what a keyword is those buyer intent words that customers would put in to find your exact service. So let's take a look at what's going on behind the scenes with your website. So the way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs. So the two things that are most important are the UR rating and the DR rating. The UR rating is the strength of your website. The DR rating is the trust that Google places in your website. Now, as you can see, there really is none. No data and zero. So the way you get these up are with backlinks. What a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be an awful backlink because that's extremely spammy. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be extremely helpful because that's relevant to your services. Now, another important thing are those organic keywords, as I said before, those buyer intent words. So let's check what your buyer intent words are. So if we take a look, flooring, Clearwater, Florida, awesome. You are on the first page. You're on the bottom of the first page, which is still getting you that organic traffic. Tile store, Clearwater, you're on the second page. You're moving up, but right now you're on the second page, which is why you're only seeing 2 traffic from that. And Clearwater flooring, you've just barely made it onto the first page, which is why you're only seeing 1 traffic from that. So all of these, you're starting to rank for them, but you're not getting high enough in the rankings where it actually matters yet, where you're getting that organic traffic. So let's take a look at one of these buyer intent keywords. So the one that has the most people searching it per month. So tile store, Clearwater. First thing that pops up, the GMB. Now, the Google Map Pack is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and they'll pick one of these 3 because that's the easiest thing to do. Now, after that, you have your organic rankings. So this is by strength of website. First thing, you have Yelp, which, yeah, kind of useless. Second is flooranddecor.com. So this is a chain branch, as you know, across the entire United States. So Google doesn't really like them as much. However, since there isn't really a terribly strong website right now, that's why they're ranking front and center. So we're going to go right down to the second place, which is Gulf Tile, which is a local business. And we'll check what's going on with them. So just looking at their website, got a nice header celebrating well, now it's about 62 years, almost 63, which is awesome. Got a nice header. They don't have a click to call, which is unfortunate. Of course, having that is always the best option. Then going through, they have a bunch of content, bunch of pictures, not like the 1,500 to 2,000, but they are doing pretty well. So let's check why they're ranking number 2, right behind Floor and Decor. So putting them into Ahrefs, first thing that pops up, you can see they have a UR rating of 36 and a DR rating of 22. So their strength is amazing because we want to be in between that 30-40. And their trust rating, 22, is still pretty good. And as you can see, they have almost 2,000 backlinks helping them along. And another thing they're doing really well is they have almost 2,000 keywords that their site is ranking for. So let's check out what their keywords are. So of course, golf tile Largo, that's them. So they're kind of gonna rank for that. Just going down, tile stores in Tampa. They're trying to also rank for Tampa, which, as you can see, tile stores in Clearwater only had 100. Tile stores in Tampa have 700 searches per month. And they're on the bottom of the first page, but even from that, they're still getting 34 from the different keywords. So they are trying to rank for a place that has more people, like Tampa. And as you can see, the Clearwater tile is right down here. So it's not even one of the main words that they're ranking for, but they're still second position, and they're getting 8 people from that. So they're not getting too many from Clearwater because not too many people are searching for it. I would probably advise going more towards Tampa, just because that's going to get you a lot more traffic through your site. Now, if we're looking to beat them out, first things first, you gotta raise up those backlinks. You only have 8 right now. You gotta get more than your competition. The good part is you already have a roadmap to that. You can just take theirs. Their backlinks, they work because they're ranking well for them. They have a great ratio. So if you take theirs, add them to yours, and then add some more on top of that, you're looking at raising your UR and DR rating a lot. As well as you want that content. You want to get 1,500 to 2,000 words throughout your site or throughout your homepage with those organic keywords put in. So you can start ranking for more keywords, so Google will start putting you more forward for those specific keywords. Now, Douthat, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, I'm always looking to improve. You have a blessed rest of your day.